first one was a very different, was a unique experience. We were doing an international training camp. We were in Europe, in Portugal, and then we would do European triathlon competitions. So we were exposed with European type style of competition. Diba kung sa basketball, may parang Euro basketball style.
Yep, correct.
Same thing pala sa triathlon. Mas ang halimaw nila sa bike. Ganun. But it gave me more confidence approaching the games. So when we fly from Portugal straight to the SEA Games in Singapore, for the past 2 days, grabe, hindi ako nakatulog like 0% sa kaba.
Shucks.
Yes. Oh, until the day before the race, doon lang ako nakatulog. And the reason is because for the very first time, I was expected to deliver a medal for the country. And it was a different feeling because, millions pinondohan ka, tapos all of the sacrifices, and then millions of Filipinos are expecting you to deliver, in fact, a gold medal. And I thought to myself, what was going on my mind was, paano kung hindi ko makuha tong gold medal?